is Nick Battaglia. I am the BIM designer / coordinator here at CSE. I actually started out as an apprentice in the field, and what I wanted to do was make the design process easier for my guys on the field. I wanted to have someone who had been there, understand exactly how to install what the prints say to install, and to know the difficulties of what they're describing to do. So my journey started out as an apprentice, working my way into the office and into design. That way, whenever I do make these designs, my first thought is, do I want to install this? And I can improve my designs based upon that. A typical day for one of the BIM designers here at CSE is that our estimators will give us one of our projects that we just landed, and then we will get all of the information from any type of submittals and design it per spec, working with local utilities and local contractors, and get the design made per customer standard. The role of my department is to help coordinate between trades so that we can have our plumbing and our architecture work hand in hand with the electrical. 3D modeling improves the design and construction process by helping people visualize what the building actually looks like, along with having very detailed measurements. So instead of having just a drawing, you can go off of AutoCAD, which is very much measurement indeed, but you also have another dimension, the Z-axis. That way you can actually coordinate with other trades about elevation and where our equipment will go compared to the other trades. BIM helps bridge the gap because there is a disconnect between prints and on-site sometimes. Whenever you on-site, the prints are a good indicator on what needs to happen, but BIM actually allows us to see the on-site conditions and place our equipment and assets in that on-site conditions so that the install team knows exactly where it goes, and that we've already previously coordinated with the other trades so that they have confirmation that they can actually place their equipment there. The BIM department helps CSE by reducing errors. Essentially, we have our typical designs, and then they go out into the field, and there are change orders, sometimes there's RFIs, different things that can affect the job site. With our BIM department, we're actually eliminating those slowly but surely. That way we can actually have more connection with the other trades and be able to coordinate with them better. BIM is essential for cost savings, specifically in wasted material, wasted labor, anything like that, because we can reduce errors, we can reduce costly mistakes, and specifically we can reduce confusion. It's all about communication, and if we can communicate with other trades, we can communicate with our customers and the guys on field all in one department, that's what we're here for. My advice for anyone who wants to go into the BIM design is to actually get their hands on the field. To go work as an apprentice or work as a CE and be able to understand what we're installing and how it gets installed using the hardware, using the tools. That way, whenever you're able to design it, you can have an understanding and a visualization of what you're actually asking them to install.